Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix launching and crashing issues in Resident Evil Requiem on PC. First step, restart your computer. Do not skip this step. A simple restart has fixed the issue for many players. After restart, launch the game and check. If the game is still not launching, open Steam, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once verification is complete, just launch the game. If that does not work, rename the config file. Right-click on the game in Steam, select Manage, then click on Browse Local Files. Right-click on the config file and rename it. Then launch the game. Next, open the config file and make sure Frame Generation, DLSS, and NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency are set to off. Save the file and relaunch the game. If it's not working, update the window and restart. One of these steps should fix the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.